Sponsors are your partners, but still, you're their host. It's kind of like throwing a potluck at your house. Everyone's bringing something, but you're in charge of keeping everyone happy and fed. And cleaning up after. So, how can you go out of your way to show your sponsors a good time? Give them what they want, lots of leads, and then some, meaning everything you know about them. That includes details about their overall experience, engagement, and interests. Go even further by tracking and measuring any content your sponsors produced and how it rated with attendees. To really go the extra mile, use analytics and stats to pinpoint the most promising leads. If you can do that, you'll indeed be the world's best hosts, and your sponsors won't stop thanking you. It'll add some work on your end, but it's for a good cause.